Did you know one honest choice changed a man's entire life in just 24 hours? David Martinez was drowning in medical debt, working double shifts as a delivery driver just to survive. His daughter's cancer treatment had cost everything. Eviction notices piled up on his kitchen table. Then, on a rainy Tuesday morning, he found a wallet on the sidewalk containing $8,000 cash. $8,000. Exactly what he needed to save his apartment and catch up on bills. For 3 hours, he sat in his delivery truck, staring at that money. He could keep it. No one would ever know. Instead, he looked up the address on the driver's license and knocked on an elderly man's door. The wallet belonged to Robert Chen, a successful warehouse owner who had given up hope of seeing his money again. When David handed it back untouched, Robert was stunned. The next morning, Robert called with a job offer. Warehouse manager, $60,000 a year, full benefits. One honest moment changed everything.